Shake tubes for 3 to 5 seconds prior to adding to reaction tubes. Allow tubes to settle for about a minute. If tubes have been sitting longer than 10 minutes, they will need to be shaken again. Open all needed reaction tubes with clean gloves. If you need to open more tubes later on, change gloves. Use a P200 micropipette. Ensure that the pipette is set to 40 microliters. Use top dial to adjust volume if needed. There are 2 stops on a pipette. Press down gently on the plunger to feel both stops. When drawing up liquid from the collection tube, press the plunger to the first stop. When dispensing liquid into the reaction tube, press the plunger down to the second stop. You will get an inaccurate volume if you start your draw from the second stop. Use tips specific to your pipette. Use only filter tips for the To-Me glow. Press the pipette firmly into the tip box to get a new tip, stabilizing the box with your other hand if needed. Press ejector firmly to dispel tip. Open collection tube and place lid face up on the table. Put a clean tip on the pipette. Press plunger down to the first stop on the pipette. Draw liquid from the top layer of liquid. If you draw from too low, your reactions are more likely to fail. Press down plunger before entering the liquid so you don't disturb the layers. If you draw up solids, discard tip and draw a new sample. Insert tip into reaction tube and dispel liquid to the second stop. Eject tip and close reaction tube lid. Eject tips into a solution of 10% bleach to limit cross-contamination. Ensure lids are tightly closed and no solids are present in the reaction. Use a new capillary for each sample. Tilt the capillary tube at 45 degrees and insert capillary horizontally to the first layer of liquid. Liquid will draw up automatically. Let liquid reach the black line on the capillary. If you draw up solids, discard tip and draw a new sample. Insert capillary into the reaction tube and press plunger fully down. Discard the capillary and close the reaction tube. Ensure lids are tightly closed and no solids are present in the reaction. Whip liquid to the bottom of the tube so that the sample is fully mixed in the reaction. Visually inspect the tubes to ensure all liquid is at the bottom of the tube and reaction tube volumes are even.